so I'm going to try this again. Sir, I got to get up and go to school. Okay. I got to get up. I'm getting up now. Oh. Alright. Oh, you're going to move this morning? Oh. Sir, look, seriously, every time I get up, you can't just stand on me. That's not going to keep me from, going to work. Sir, sitting on me isn't going to fix it either. I'm getting up right now. I'm getting up right now. I'm getting up right now. I have to go. Don't cry. Sir, Sir, I have to get up. I have to. Don't talk back. I'm up now. I'm getting up. Sir, for real. Stop being such a crybaby. Getting up now. Yes, yes. Yes, I'm getting up. Stop crying.